When I see the jerseys on the TV, that is a bit surreal. After every game, they drop off, I would say, maybe between 20 and 30 jerseys that have been damaged during the game. So there's holes and tears. We're doing alterations to the jerseys to fit the players better and to allow more freedom of movement. They came to us and we did a tryout, and then we got the job. We're very aware of what an honor it is to work with the Georgia Bulldogs, and so we make it always our absolute priority that, whatever they need, it will get done.